In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer crypto from Binance to Trustwallet. This process is relatively straightforward, but it's important to follow each step carefully to ensure a smooth and successful transaction. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open your Binance app or website. Once you've logged in, navigate to the Assets section. Within this menu, you'll find an option to withdraw. It's important to note that in order for the Withdraw button to be visible and active, you must have sufficient funds in your account. While I currently don't have enough funds to demonstrate this live, I will guide you through each step so you can proceed without any hitches. Once you click on Withdraw, you'll be prompted to choose the specific crypto coin you wish to transfer. Select the coin from the list presented to you. Next, click on Send via Crypto Network. This is an essential step as it ensures that your transaction utilizes the appropriate crypto network for a seamless transfer. After selecting the coin and network, the interface will present options for the address and network involved in the transaction. At this point, you'll need to switch over to your Trustwallet. In Trustwallet, select the same coin you intend to transfer. Navigate to the Receive option, which will display the wallet address you need for this transaction. If you've chosen Ethereum, for example, click on Ethereum in Trustwallet to get the correct address. Once you have this address, copy it carefully. It's crucial to ensure that the address is copied accurately, as even a small mistake could result in your funds being lost or sent to the wrong place. Now, return to Binance. In the field provided, paste the copied wallet address. Be very cautious here and double-check that the pasted address matches the one you copied from Trustwallet. Binance will also ask you to specify the network for the transaction, which is vital for compatibility and to avoid unnecessary fees or delays. Once everything looks good, follow any additional prompts on your screen to finalize the withdrawal. Binance will ask you to confirm the details of the transaction, so take a moment to review everything and make sure it aligns with your intentions. And there you have it. With these steps, you will have successfully transferred crypto from Binance to your Trustwallet. Remember, handling cryptocurrency involves real financial value, so it's always best to proceed with caution and triple-check every detail. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial today. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more digital finance tips and tutorials. See you next time.